Position cylinder head sideways on a sturdy surface as illustrated. Then install the rocker arm pin fixing screw and secure. Install the injector. Install the injector fixing bracket and secure it with the screw. The cylinder head surface must be free of gasket material or other debris that may affect accuracy of the measurement. Use KOHLER Special Tool SD03 to measure the projection of the injector. Position the dial indicator on the tip of the injector. Position the base of the dial indicator in contact with the surface of the cylinder head. Zero the dial indicator. While remaining in contact with the cylinder head, slide the dial indicator off the injector tip. Document the measurement and compare it to the specifications indicated in the workshop manual. If out of specification, replace the gasket with one of the appropriate thickness. Gaskets of varying thickness are listed in the parts lookup system and can be ordered as needed. After installing a gasket of different thickness, the injector projection is now within the range specified by the workshop manual. Repeat this procedure for the remaining injectors.